Hello everyone, this is Group 5 from BSCS 1A. We will be presenting our LivestockHub system for our database management system subject. Hello everyone, my name is Gabriele TCD and I am the first presenter in this presentation. So our system name is LivestockHub. Me and my classmate will explain what is LivestockHub and what is inside LivestockHub. So, LivestockHub is a digital livestock marketplace platform that connects farmers directly with buyers to facilitate the buying and selling of live animals online. So, we could have many users, but every user could only have one role. And the three roles we currently have is admin, buyer, and a farmer. So admin manages users, monitors transaction, oversees breed or category master data, resolves disputes, can edit almost everything, manages accounts and reports. Buyer browses or search livestock by category or breed or location, places orders, reserves animals, completes purchase, and yes, buyers buys from a farmer, so they purchases from farmers. And the farmer registers farm, adds livestock listing, manages inventory, updates sales status, enters through stricter form to avoid scam, and sales livestock. So these are the feature summary table. So in register account, farmer can register account, buyer can also register account, but the admin can't. It's because admin already has a built-in account, and you can add another admin account by using the other admin account. So here, manage profile. So farmer can manage profile, buyer can also manage profile, and as well admin can manage profile because they could be many users in admin as well. In add livestock, farmers can add livestock. Buyer can't because they are the one who will purchase from farmers. And admin also can't add livestock. In edit livestock, farmer can edit livestock. Buyer can't because they're the one who will buy from farmers, so all they can do is just check on marketplace. And admin can also edit livestock. In browse or search for animals, farmer can't browse or search for animals because browse or search for animals is in marketplace category. So that's where buyer comes in because they are the one who will check on marketplace what livestock are currently in. And admin can also browse or search for animals to check if something is selling scams or selling inappropriate things. Here on place orders, farmer can place orders because they are the one who places livestock. Buyer, on the other hand, can place orders because they're the one who will purchase order from farmer. And admin can't place order as well because admin is the only one that manages the livestock. They can't place orders. Same goes to farmer. And in confirm or cancel orders, farmer can cancel orders and confirm. Same goes to buyer because they probably made a mistake by ordering a order, and same goes to admin as well. In process payments, farmers can process payments, but they can confirm the payment. On the other hand, buyer can process the payment because they are the one who will purchase, and admin can't. In manage users, farmer can't manage users because they are the one who will register their accounts, as well goes to buyer. But admin is the one who manages the accounts. So they will manage the users to let them in to the system. So manage breeds or categories. So farmers can't manage breeds or categories because it is like master data. Same goes to buyer because they are just customers. Admin can view reports. So view reports, you will only be put in the category of view reports if you are presenting a bad behavior in the system. And can send a view farmer can send a report. Buyer can also send a report, but admin is the only one who can view reports. Suspend accounts. So suspend accounts, farmer can't, buyer can't, but the admin can, because they will check, they will ban the account or suspend it. Audit logs. Some farmers can't audit logs. Buyer can also audit logs, but the admin can. So these are the languages that we used. JavaScript, primarily a language for front-end interactivity and dynamic content. HTML or C#, structure and styling of the web interface. PHP, back-end logic and server-side processing. SQL, database queries and data manipulation. So these are the tools that we use. PHP, core backend logic, data processing, user role validation, API routing system. SQL or MySQL, database commands for saving, updating, retrieving, and organizing livestock and order information. JSON, standard text format for sending and receiving data between backend API and frontend application. PDO, secure database driver for executing prepared statement to prevent SQL injection attacks. XAMPP, local development environment that runs opaque web server and MySQL database server together. Visual Studio Code, primary workspace for writing, editing, formatting, and debugging all project code files. Git and GitHub Desktop, visual tool for managing project branches, tracking code modifications, and syncing updates with teammates. Gemini AI, assisted in code generation, debugging, and providing development solution. Cursor AI, used for intelligent code completion, refactoring suggestions, and accelerating development workflow. So, that is all my part, and we will present to the next presenter to present the presentation.
Hello, I am Deon, Marky, and Bacaltos. I also partook in the development of our system, LivestockHub. So, regarding the database structure, our system has 10 tables: user for accounts, category, and breeds for animal types, farmer location for farm details, livestock asset for table for animal listings, livestock weight history or monitoring, farmer's contact for contacts, orders for purchases, and transactions for payments. The ARD connects these through foreign keys. A user becomes a farmer who has many livestock and locations. Each livestock belongs to one category and breed and can have many weight records. A buyer can place many orders, and each order has one transaction. Keys like user ID, farmer ID, category ID, breed ID, and order ID link everything together for data integrity.
Thank you. For the final part of our presentation, I will explain how data is handled inside LivestockHub, how transaction flows within the system, the limitations we encountered, and our overall conclusion. Since LivestockHub is a database management system, proper handling of data is very important. Every action made by the user, from registration up to purchasing livestock, is stored validated, and connected through our database tables to make sure the information remains accurate and organized. Let us start with the registration process. When a user creates an account, the system first checks if the email already exists. This prevents duplicate accounts from being created. Once validated, the user's password is encrypted before being stored or saved into the user's table for added security. This ensures that user information is protected while still allowing secure access to the system. After registration, farmers can now set up their profile and farm information. They enter data such as the farm name and its location, including barangay, city, and province. These details are then stored in the farmers and location tables. This process is important because it allows buyers to identify where the livestock are coming from, making transaction more transparent and reliable. Once the farmer profile is complete, the farmer can now add livestock listing into the system. The farmer input information such as animal type, tag number, breed, gender, health condition, weight, and price. Photo of livestock can also be uploaded. All of this information is stored in the livestock table, and by default, the livestock status is marked as available. This means that animal is ready to be viewed by buyers in the marketplace. On the buyer side, users can browse and search for available livestock. The system uses SQL joins to combine data from multiple tables so that buyers can view complete information about the animal, including its category, price, farm source, and location. To make searching easier, filters are also provided based on category, price range, and location. When the buyers decided to purchase livestock, the ordering process begins. Before the order is accepted, the system first checks if the animal is still available. If available, the order details are inserted into the order table, and the livestock status automatically changes from available to reserved. This prevents multiple buyers from reserving the same livestock at the table at the same time. After placing the order, the buyers proceed with payment. The farmer then verifies the payment submitted by the buyer. Once confirmed, the payment information is stored in the transaction table with status of paid. At the same time, the order status is updated from pending to confirmed. This allows both buyers and farmer to track the progress of the transaction. Once the transaction is complete, the livestock status changes from reserved to sold. The sold livestock will no longer appear in the market search results, which helps maintain accurate inventory records inside the system. One of the additional features of our system is weight tracking. Farmer can continuously record the animal's weight over time, and these records are saved in the livestock weight table. With this feature, it helps monitor livestock growth and health condition, which can also increase buyers' confidence. To maintain clean and reliable data, the system also includes duplicate prevention and validation. For example, livestock tag number must be unique to avoid duplicate records. We also implement foreign keys constraint to maintain relationship between tables and prevent orphan data. This ensures that every record inside the database remain connected and consistent. Lastly, the admin has full control over managing the system. The admin can suspend users, remove invalid livestock listing, cancel disputed orders, and update records within the users, livestock, and order tables. This helps maintain system security, organization, and proper transaction management. Despite of the features and functions of our system, there is still some limitations that we identified during development. First, the system currently does not support bulk or batch purchasing, meaning buyer can only purchase livestock individually. Second, the sorting features based on category and livestock weight is still under development and may be improved in future version of the system. To conclude, LivestockHub management system provides a centralized and organized platform for livestock management and online transaction. The system allows farmers to efficiently manage livestock record while also giving buyers a convenient way of browsing and purchasing animals online. Through the use of database relationships, validation, transaction, Through the use of database relationships, validation, transaction monitoring, and inventory tracking, the system helps improve efficiency, accuracy, and reliability in livestock management. And that's the end of our presentation. We are Group 5 LivestockHub. Thank you so much for listening, and we are now ready for your questions.